Guys, this is Mr. Joshy J, and today I'm here to show you the new Manchester United home kit. Yep, I purchased this from Source Direct, where I purchased most of my Manchester United shirts and have a player's printing done as usual from there, because they got a machine what's about 100 and something degrees, so you're guaranteed that the player's name will stay on it. Because when I've got it done off of eBay before, it's come off where it's not been done properly. So anyway, on to the kit. See down here, this year on the home kit, it's got a bit of black on it, and with lines as well, and also some train tracks as well, because this is to do the 140th anniversary. There's the Manchester United logo, Adidas, Chevrolet. Now the Adidas stripes are black this year. Someone I love to purchase the black shorts to go with it, because I reckon that go brilliantly together. Yep, the size large. Now I'm about to reveal the player's name. Marcus Rashford. Yes, number 19, Marcus Rashford. Yep, I finally decided to go for him. I wanted to go for him 2 seasons ago, but then Pogba signed. Then last season Lukaku signed, but as this summer transfer window we've made no marquee signing, I've gone for Marcus Rashford. See, still black stripes on the back, and there's the train tracks again. I love it. It is the best home kit in years. Since I saw leaked footage of this, I loved it so much. I'm delighted to be having it. In the comments, let me know, do you think this is the best home kit in years? If so, and why? If not, and why don't you think so? Let me know. Be looking forward to hearing from you. Right, okay, bye bye.